Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. This week was a fabulous music week in dancehall culture. We had several new sounds, starting off with Masicka with his new song, Voices of the Voiceless. Here is a sneak peek.
Bit too young to make a change. Some used to wish for move me peeps them out the ghetto. Every youth for rich. Another night without the food. Dog me used to this. I with a fight and with a lose, but me not new to this. Mommy, when I could find the money, cool with this. Swear to God, me must buy a.
Next up was Tifa with her song Overcome. You can check out a clip of that right here.
Them never did think me would they watch me now. All them fights and all them try to conquer me stronger now. All them try to bury me, them lift this in me face.
Last Friday, Ishawna dropped a snippet of her song Broke It Off, and here's a little sneak peek of that.
No dead fuck that broke my vibe.
And last but not least, moving up right in it is Renee 630 with her song called Afishir. And Steph Don also dropped her mix with Tory Lanez for her song Senseless.
You love to do your thing. She come so sexy, spice like no Aline. One do the thing, and who got the gifts to make me mommy was do the thing right now? And I know that you know this, and that party is so big.
Popcaan was seen with the one and only Teddy Bruckshot, aka Louis Ranking. Popcaan also dropped a sneak peek of his new movie Intent 2, which is now premiering all in the UK. We're waiting for the international release, but it's okay.
See the thing that I had last night? She was doing some pillow talking still. It turns out around me and your thing Peaches are doing a little thing still. I don't know if you knew about that, but...
But you see Romy and Peaches, them favor idiot.
Huh? You know what? I'm gonna handle both of them.
But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.